Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 9th, 2021, and I wanted to come in and give you all a price prediction update into the market for gold and nugget. Our last video was on July the 26th, 2021. It is in our GNOG playlist. You guys could go ahead and listen and watch it if you want, but we didn't do a price prediction. We wanted to allow the market to give us more information so that we can kind of garner and see where the market is anticipated to go into the future. And on today, I think I got a better idea as to where the market's going to go in GNOG. So if you guys want to join our team, join our community, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share, subscribe here to the channel, because one thing we do here, one of the things that we focus in on is on the price and the price only. I mean, we got a plethora of videos already out on a lot of products that's available in the stock market, and not on one of them have we given you any fundamental analysis or even utilize technical indicators, because one thing that we've learned in our journey of trading and investing is that those things simply causes confusion. The less you use those things, the better you'll be into predicting where the market is going to go. And we wanted to show you all that on today's video for GNOG. So make sure you guys tap in, make sure you guys come and join us and follow the journey as we continue to show you all how to predict prices all without being confused. All right. So like I told you, July the 26th was a day that we wanted to look in the markets for GNOG to see if there's any plays available, to see if we can tell whether or not the market's going to go higher, whether the market's going to go lower, and there wasn't no play. So we don't participate. Whenever the market's not giving us a play, we don't come in and play around with everyone else. We don't want to play with everyone else if the market is not going to be beneficial to us. Okay, the market has to give us benefit. If it's not going to give us any benefit, we don't play. So we didn't do that on July the 26th. So let's take a look first of all on the 3-day time frame in the market for GNOG. Okay, this is where I wanted to start out into the market in GNOG. Okay, because one thing we've already established since our video was that this $11 price in GNOG apparently doesn't want to break below. The price does not want to break below that $11 threshold. That is massive in terms of why we're going to do a price prediction today for GNOG. We've seen sustained prices keep above $11. So that is letting us know, obviously, the trap does not want to break price below $11. So now we got one position as to where we can expect, based on what has already occurred, that the market's not going to go, that the market would not trade below $11. Okay. Now take a look at how we ended on this last completed 3-day price bar. So even amidst all of this trading sideways, the market in GNOG was still able to close towards the high of the bar. Take a look at this. We have earnings coming up on the 13th. The market is going to play on that news, okay? But I want you all to realize that everyone else who is interested in this particular product, GNOG, has already been in position. They're not going to act on this day. They're not going to act into the market on August the 13th. Understandably, they are already in position gearing up for this event. When the market hits this news, it's going to be too late. This is why those who understand the market is already preparing themselves for the news that's going to occur on August the 13th. The retail trader, the retail investor always comes in, well, I'm not going to say always, but usually they react to the earnings reports, and the market understands that. That is why they take advantage of us every time we come in and they move the market's earnings release. We need to get in position before then so that we can capitalize and win on that market move. Okay, so far I like the 3-day time frame. To see the market in GNOG close toward the high of the bar was great. Now, let me give you this, because I don't want to give you all any hype, any hope that the market's going to 100x, because those YouTubers who are trying to get you to click on their videos just to give you some hypothetical, outlandish prediction is ridiculous. We need to be real. We need to be honest into how the market really operates. And for someone to come in and say that the market's going to shoot up to $100 in GNOG is ridiculous. When you look at the chart, we're nowhere near, the price has been nowhere near $100. Okay, so let's bring this back down to earth and let's be real with one another. So let me show you all how we ended the week into the market in GNOG. So even here on the weekly time frame, like the market is telling us everything we need to know. We don't have to use technical indicators. We don't have to use fundamental analysis just to understand how much these products are worth. The market is already telling us how much people value GNOG. And you can see from the last 2 weeks that, yeah, the market in GNOG has endured some selling. But for us to end last week towards the high of the bar lets me know that the market is gaining momentum and strength, and that the $11 price is going to be our support in our prediction. So I'm liking what is being revealed on the weekly time frame, even on a 3-day time frame in the market for GNOG. That is very good to see. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in GNOG. Now, like I told you earlier, I'm gonna give you a prediction that's more realistic. Okay, I'm not going to tell you that the market in GNOG is going to 10x or 100x your money. No, that's ridiculous. But we can see this price go to 13. So let's see how much of a percentage profitability that would be for us to see the market in GNOG hit 13. That's about 6.25%. Is that decent? It is. For the market in GNOG to hit $13. Get that 6% from the trap and place it right back into our accounts. That is something more realistic that we can see the market trying to tap out at. Right there around $13. Okay. Now, like I told you, we've seen this market on the weekly time frame though give us a bigger indication that 13 may not be a stoppage point in how high the price can go in GNOG. So let me increase it just a little bit higher, because I'm seeing like $13.50, possibly even $14 into the market in GNOG that we can see this price go from a weekly perspective. So that means that you got to allow the market to play in the next week or so to allow us to see $13.50 to even $13.75 right there. So this is our updated price prediction. This is what we're seeing according to the price and nothing else. We're going to watch the price in GNOG. We're going to expect the market to give us some increases in price. And we got 2 areas of TP. Our first area is going to be $13. This is where we're expecting the market to endure some selling, that the trap is going to try to lower the price. So we need to make sure that we're prepared to skim off some profits right there around $13. And then ultimately, our second area will be around $13.50 to $13.75, just right there. So this is what we're expecting to occur into the market in GNOG in the next week, maybe 2 weeks or so. This is where we're expecting the price to be. So now I want to know, you're on our team, let's collaborate. I want you all to drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you see the price in GNOG going in the next 2 weeks? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.